Most people see a small balcony as a limitation. A senior designer sees it as an opportunity for infinite volume. Today, we are performing Material Alchemy to solve the two biggest problems of urban living: privacy and space. We are revealing the Invisible Trellis, a geometric skeleton that turns a cramped floor plan into a breathtaking sanctuary. If you want a luxury green wall for under $20, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Vertical Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. I know life can feel crowded, but in this space, we use structural logic to find the quiet. Today, we aren't just decorating, we are engineering. In 2026, we are moving toward vertical artistry and sustainable luxury. We are building a modern balcony trellis that doesn't just hold plants, it holds space for your soul. Let's step into the stillness. The Vertical Revelation. Engineering your breathtaking sanctuary. 1. The logic of spatial expansion. When I stand on a small balcony, I don't look at the floor, I look at the walls. For too long, we've treated our outdoor nooks as storage bins or extra space for things that don't quite fit the rest of the home's narrative. We pile up plastic bins and folding chairs, effectively shrinking our world until we feel claustrophobic in our own retreat. But a balcony with spatial integrity becomes a seamless extension of your living room. It becomes a lung for your home, a place where the architecture breathes and the mind finds room to wander. The secret to this transformation is spatial expansion. In a small footprint, horizontal space is a luxury we simply don't have. We are physically constrained by railings, glass, and concrete. But vertical space, it's infinite. By utilizing vertical artistry, we create a sense of infinite volume. We are intentionally drawing the eye upward, away from the floor-level clutter and toward the expansive sky. This is the first step in creating a breathtaking sanctuary. We aren't just growing plants in heavy pots that take up valuable legroom. We are curating a view. In 2026, we don't settle for cluttered environments that mirror the chaos of the city streets. We design for elevated living. By treating the wall as a canvas, we trick the brain into perceiving depth where there was once a hard barrier. We are turning a dead-end wall into a portal of greenery, effectively pushing the walls back without moving a single brick. This is how we defeat the feeling of being boxed in. 2. Material Alchemy and the Geometric Skeleton. Today's reveal is centered on a concept I call the geometric skeleton. Most people go to a big box store and buy a heavy, green plastic lattice or a bulky wooden fence panel. It's cumbersome, it blocks the precious natural light, and frankly, it doesn't have tactile integrity. It feels like a temporary fix, an afterthought, not a design choice. Instead, we perform material alchemy. We are using high-tensile stainless steel wire and champagne bronze eyelets. This is the Invisible Trellis. By mounting these eyelets into your balcony walls or railing in a precise diamond or grid pattern, you create a structure that is a piece of art on its own. It's minimal, it's modern, and it's virtually invisible from a distance. This is sustainable luxury at its finest. You're using 90% less material than a traditional trellis, but achieving 100% more style. This skeleton serves as the foundation, the structural logic, that will eventually be clothed in greenery. Even in the months before your plants fully mature, the shimmering wires and bronze hardware provide a sophisticated, industrial chic aesthetic. It's about the beauty of the bones. We are building a system that respects the light while providing the strength needed for a vertical forest. We are engineering a masterpiece that looks expensive precisely because it is restrained and intentional. Three. Engineering the DIY privacy screen. Privacy is the ultimate luxury in 2026. As our cities grow denser, the feeling of being watched can prevent us from ever truly relaxing in our outdoor spaces. But we don't want to live in a dark box or hide behind heavy curtains that block the breeze. We want a DIY privacy screen that breathes. The Invisible Trellis allows air and light to pass through while creating a powerful psychological barrier between you and the world. As your vines, perhaps star jasmine or clematis, begin to weave through the wire, they create a living lace. This is atmospheric curation. You are engineering your own seclusion. The champagne bronze accents provide a warm, metallic, visual echo that catches the sunset, adding a layer of luminous integrity even in the winter months when the leaves may be sparse. This is how you solve the problem of being watched by neighbors without building a solid wall that makes you feel trapped. You are creating a soft boundary, a filter that lets the beauty of the outdoors in while keeping the prying eyes of the city out. You are reclaiming your right to be unobserved, turning your balcony into a high-walled garden of the mind where you can finally be yourself. Small Space Gardening 2026. Choosing the medium. Not all plants are created equal for vertical artistry. To maintain the beauty of the geometric skeleton, you need plants that are wild but refined. Think about the psychology of greenery. We want textures that feel soft and ethereal against the hard, precise lines of the high-tensile wire. In 2026, we are moving towards self-sustaining perennials that offer year-round interest. These plants represent infinite potential. As they climb, they don't just cover the wall, they define the volume of the room. We are looking for luminous shadows, the way the afternoon sun filters through the leaves and projects intricate patterns onto your balcony floor. That light pattern is part of the design. It's the shadow architecture that makes the space feel larger and more complex than it actually is. By choosing plants with variegated leaves or delicate tendrils, you add a layer of movement. When the wind blows, your privacy screen doesn't just sit there. It whispers. It becomes a living, breathing component of your home's spatial integrity. You are choosing a medium that grows with you, a living tapestry that evolves every season, reminding you that nature is never static. Tactile integrity and sustainable luxury. In a small space, every texture is magnified because you are in constant proximity to it. This is why we prioritize tactile integrity. When you reach out to touch your trellis, you shouldn't feel flimsy plastic or splintering wood. You should feel the cool, unwavering strength of the steel and the solid weight of the bronze. This is sustainable luxury because it is built to last. These materials don't degrade in the sun or warp in the rain. They age with grace. By choosing high-quality hardware for your modern balcony trellis, you are making a one-time investment in the permanent character of your home. You are signaling that your sanctuary is worth the best materials. Furthermore, this approach honors the environment. By using minimal, recyclable metals instead of bulky, treated woods or non-recyclable plastics, you are practicing a form of design that is kind to the earth. It is an aesthetic of enough, where every wire and every eyelet serves a purpose. There is no waste, only structural logic. The final reveal. From muddy mess to sanctuary. See how the light catches the bronze hardware. It's a subtle nod to the fact that this was built with intention and care. This balcony is no longer a chore to maintain or a place to hide the vacuum cleaner. It is a breathtaking sanctuary. By using structural logic, we've expanded the boundaries of a standard 4 by 10 space until it feels like a grand estate. We have stopped fighting the small footprint and started embracing the height. We have replaced the funky junk clutter with dimensional curation. This is the essence of Beki Decor, finding the extra in the ordinary through the power of material alchemy. Style and luxury are finally within reach for every mindful creator, regardless of their zip code or square footage. You don't need a sprawling backyard or a massive budget to experience the art of stillness. You just need the right perspective. You just need to look up. You just need to embrace the vertical revelation. Thank you for joining me in this vertical revelation. My prayer for you today is that you look at the small, forgotten corners of your home and see their infinite potential. If you've been feeling boxed in by urban life, remember that the sky is always open, and the vertical plane is yours to command. If this masterclass inspired you to build your own invisible trellis or experiment with champagne bronze accents, tell me about it in the comments. I love hearing how you are performing material alchemy in your own unique spaces. Don't let a small footprint limit your big dreams. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you this Sunday for our next breathtaking reveal. Stay inspired. Remember, your home is an extension of your soul. Don't be afraid to reach higher and design with structural logic. Use what you have, honor the light, and create a breathtaking sanctuary that knows your name. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep creating, keep engineering, and keep looking up.